take an 8.5 piece of 11 cardboard here, and we're going to fold the top over halfway down. Okay? Doesn't have to go at 11 because we're going to come over the top because this paper is a little wider. But we're basically giving ourselves this space here to create, and we're going to line up on this outside edge. Okay, and then we're good, and we think it's all good to crease. You will right there. We're going to crease that, and then you're going to crease all the way across. Okay, so it'll be a little larger than 8.5 by 11 because the paper is a little larger because we printed architectural, not. Once we get this, what we're doing next is we're going to fold this half up. See that same line? We're at the top of the page. Yeah, see it came out a little bit there. Or your paper's crooked. Which is it, Dylan? Or Ian? Anyway, so we get it like so, halfway up. Okay? Then we're going to take this half and fold that little corner triangle in this. Okay? That will leave us a place out here to expose the hole punch. Okay? Now, the next trick to this thing is bringing this all over and having some space out here. So the people that do this professionally probably don't have to do this, but I leave about an inch here and just slide to the right. Okay? So it'll stick out a little bit past, but it'll go in the binder. Okay? So I'm going to bring this up to here. I'm going to snug it up to the cardboard and crease it. Then I'm coming back. And this is the part that gets really fun, but I want to leave that 1 inch gap over here down through here. And this is our paper is just really miserable thickness. Okay, real drafting paper is a little thinner, but we'll probably get this because it's dirt cheap. The next thing is to fold back over, and you want to crease this. You got a ruler? Give me that ruler down there, will you? Set something right here to make a nice easy crease. We're going to fold it over. Like so, and crease it again. But the last thing we want to do is be able to fold this back over. Oh, you should trim that off too. You can take that off because I'm going to leave this with some gap here. I want this to fold so that your name and the project is exposed. Okay, so we literally got too much out here, but for this particular project, when you're starting, this is a good one to start with. And then you're gonna crease it like so, but you really would like to see that whole project in that corner, okay? Well, no, it's because we've already folded too much material, and so you can re-crease it again and do it. But when we get done, when you're all said and done, you want the title block, bottom right-hand corner, exposed so they can see what the drawing is, what page number it is, and why you got it in there. Okay. Don't care about the rest of the stuff up on top. That will appear when we punch the holes down through here, and we have this in the binder. We pull it out, we fold this back, we lay it over, and we lay it out. And you can see everything that was in the drawing while it's still attached to the 3-ring binder down here. Okay.
Cool.
Make sense?
So